Welcome to Naveen Sir Physics classes. So today we are going to do some numericals based on the screw gauge and vernier calipers. Right. While measuring the diameter of a lead shot using screw gauge, the reading on the pitch scale is found to be 7.5 mm and that on the head scale is 48. If the least count is 0.01 millimeter, the diameter of the lead shot is. So here the given that pitch scale reading is given. So PSR is given as 7.5 millimeter and head scale reading is given as 48 and least count is given as 0.01 millimeter. So we know the formula to find out the diameter of a sphere. So total reading is equals to pitch scale reading plus head scale reading into least count. So 7.5 plus 48 into 0.01. So 7.5 plus 0.48. So we are going to get its diameter as 7.98 is the diameter of the sphere. So it is in millimeter. Right, next one. A screw gauge with pitch of 0.5 millimeter. So pitch of the screw gauge is given, that is 0.5 millimeter. I told you already what is mean by pitch. So pitch is nothing but after one rotation whatever the distance travelled by the screw is known to be pitch, or it is the distance between the two successive threads on a screw is known to be pitch of the screw gauge. Next, how many divisions on circular scale? That means head scale. So number of divisions on head scale, are 50, and it is used to measure the thickness of a thin sheet of aluminum. Before starting the measurement, it is found that when the two jaws are in contact, 45th division is coincide with the main scale. That means there is some error in the instrument. So what is that error? Here they mention that, so 45th division is coincide with the index line. So 45th division is coincide with the index line, means the 0 will be here. Now we can understand that if the 0 is below the index line, the error is positive 0 error. So error positive. So first we should find out what is the error in the instrument. So error is equals to, so which part of the pitch scale is clearly visible? So 0. So 0 of the main scale is clearly visible. That means pitch scale reading is 0. And which division is coinciding? 45. And before going to find out this error, we should know the value of least count. Without knowing this least count, we cannot find out the error in the instrument, and we cannot find out the reading of the device. Let us find out the least count first. We know that least count is equals to pitch by number of divisions on head scale. So pitch is 0.5 by 50. So 0.01 millimeter. Okay, 0.01 millimeter is the least count of the device. Now let us find out the error. So error PSR plus HSR into LC. So 0.45 is what kind of error in the device? Positive error. If the error is positive, we know that already correction to be negative. Okay, that means from final reading we should remove this value, then we are getting the exact reading of the sheet. Right. Now when they are taking the readings, the main scale reading is, that means pitch scale reading, main scale is also known to be pitch scale. So 0.5 mm, and which part is coinciding with index line? 25th, and least count we know that 0.01 mm. So now reading PSR 0.5 plus HSR 25 into 0.01. So 0.5 plus 0.25. So 0.75 mm is the reading with error. So without error, so we can write actual reading is equals to measured reading minus error, because here error is positive, that's why I am taking minus. So 0.75 minus 0.45. So 0.3 millimeter is the thickness of that aluminum sheet. So in this way we can find out the reading by using screw gauge. Next one, a vernier calipers has 1 millimeter marks on main scale. It has 20 equal divisions on vernier scale which match with 16 scale divisions for this vernier calipers least count they are asking. So what is the each division on main scale? So 1 millimeter is the division, that means 1 MSD. Okay, right. So one more hint is given, it has 20 equal divisions on the vernier scale, that means 20 vernier scale divisions are coincide with 16 main scale divisions. So we should know that 1 VSD. So what is the 1 VSD? We can write 16 by 20 we can write. Okay, so we are going to get 4 by 5, that is 0.8 MSDs. That means one main scale division is divided into 0.8 MSD. That means 0.8 into 1, that is 0.8 millimeter is 1 vernier scale division. So we know the formula for least count. Least count is equals to, it is a difference between main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. So what is main scale division? 1 millimeter minus 0.8. So 0.2 millimeter is the least count of that vernier calipers. Right, let us see next one. The main scale of a vernier calipers is calibrated in millimeter. So 19 divisions on the main scale is equals to 20 divisions on vernier scale. So the same model again here. So 19 20 vernier scale divisions is equals to 19 main scale divisions. So first we should know its least count. Here the least count is not given, for that purpose only I am doing. So 1 VSD is equals to 19 by 20 MSD. So 1.9 by 2, so 0.95 millimeter, because it is given in millimeter calibration, that's why I am writing 0.95 millimeter. Or if you want to write down in centimeter, you can write 0.095 centimeter. So least count, what is least count? Least count is equals to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So 1 MSD is 1 minus 0.95. So 0.05 millimeter or 0.005 centimeter is the least count of that vernier calipers. So this is first one. Then what about second one? Radius they are asking. So for to find out the radius, 35 divisions and fourth division. Try to understand this. In measuring the diameter of a cylinder by this instrument, the main scale lead 35 divisions and fourth division. 35 division nothing but it is in millimeter. That means main scale reading is equals to 35 millimeter and vernier scale reading or vernier coincide is 4. Therefore total reading we can write main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count of the device. So 35 plus 4. So they are measuring in millimeter. I am writing least count also in millimeter. So 0.05. So 35 plus this we are going to get. So 20 0.2. Therefore 35.2 millimeter. Okay, this is the answer for radius of the cylinder. Next one, the head of the screw gauge is divided into 50 divisions. It advances 1 millimeter when the screw turned through 2 rotations. Find the pitch of the screw and least count of the screw gauge. Okay, one more hint is given. Distance travelled by the screw in one rotation is given by 1 millimeter. So our aim is to find what is pitch. So to find pitch we know the formula. So distance travelled by screw by number of rotations. So what is the distance travelled by the screw? 1 millimeter. How many rotations? 2 rotations. Therefore 0.5 millimeter is the pitch. Then we should find least count. So least count is equals to pitch by number of divisions on head scale. So 0.5 by 50, you are going to get 0.01 millimeter. Now, when the above screw gauge is used to measure the diameter of a nail, the pitch scale reading is found to be 1.5 mm and head scale reading is 18. Find the diameter of the nail. So pitch scale reading is given, PSR is given as 1.5 mm. Then head scale 18. So least count 0.01. Therefore total reading is equals to PSR plus HSR into LC. So 1.5 plus 0.18. So 1.68 mm millimeter is the reading of that nail. At next one, the jaws of a vernier caliper touch inner walls of calorimeter with any undue pressure. The position of 0 of vernier scale on the main scale read 3.48. The sixth of the vernier scale division is coincide with any main scale division. So vernier constant of the calipers is 0.01 centimeter. Find actual inner diameter of the calorimeter when it is observed that vernier scale has a zero error of minus 0.03. So here the error is a negative, that is given as 0.03. The correction to be positive. Right, let us take this. The position of vernier scale. So vernier coincide or vernier scale is given as, the 0 of vernier scale is given. So MSR is given as 3.48 and sixth division. So VSR is 6 and the least count is 0.01 centimeter. First find out the reading of this. So 3.48 plus 6 into 0.01. So 3.48 plus 0.06, 4, 5, 3. So total reading is 3.54. But the device has what kind of error? Negative error. Therefore actual reading is equals to total reading plus error. So 3.54 plus 0.03, so 3.57 is actual reading. Next one.